So the subtraction bucket, I think that the counting up method was the easiest one for me to understand. It was super easy for me to break down and grasp the algorithm. So this was the example given on the video, and this is going to be my response. So I want to do 513 minus 232. And so what I want to do is I want to start with 232, and I want to see what is my closest 10. So I would do plus 8 to get to 240. And then I want to get from 240 to the closest 100. So I would add 60 to get to 300. And then once I get here, I would want to add my hundreds together. So I would add 200 to get to 500. And then of course you would end with adding just 13. And then you would add all of these numbers up to get your total number. So we would do 268 and 13. So we come over here and do 8 plus 60 plus 200 plus 13. So then we would come down and we would add. So we have 8 plus 3, which is 11, carry our 1 over into our 10. And then we would do 6 plus 1, which is 7, and 7 plus 1, which is 8. So we would come over here to do 8. And then we would come over here and we would do 2. Yeah, so we would do 2. So we have 8, 11. Yeah, so your total for this would be 281. 513 minus 232 equals 281. So it can get kind of confusing once you go through, but once you get that final algorithm grasp, it's really not hard to work through it. And I think it's a very simple one to understand.